Try to replace the cartridge inside my shower top here. Have been dripping for a while, and mine was a Delta. It's a little bit old model, but I think Delta have a warranty, lifetime warranty, and you can call them, let them know what model you have, and they'll send you the part. So mine was I think it was a 13 or 14, the cartridge. So first I had to take this one off first. Take it off. Okay, I got this one off. And now just take this screw off first. Two screw. There's two. These are. Make sure you put something under so you don't want to drop the screw down. Thing up. And get a screw and take it out. Alright, this off. Then you just take this one up. And let's take this one off. So you have the ring here to hold these cartridge out here. So you have these two. Okay, so you just do that. And this up. So just I put the marker here so I remember to put back the same it was before. So now gotta just hold it a little bit and see if we could twist it. There you go. We got it out. I put the egg here too, so I know that these sides are out, the back top. Okay. So now when I take it out, yeah, I just you just twist it and open it. So just like that, and I guess Delta did send me the whole cartridge. They didn't send me the whole thing, but they sent me these spring here. These are they told me this is the one that caused leaks or dripping, because these could be the spring not good anymore. So that's why they said if you change these, that should be okay. So now I see this is the little plastic one and the spring right down here. Okay, so let me go get the new one. They sent me the new one, just a small bag like that. This is the new one. Okay. So the new one just like that, have a two new spring in it, a two black plastic. Okay, this is the old one. So take out the old one out. I got the new one. So put the new in there. Okay, this is the old one. Alright, I put it back together. These are there you go. So you put it back what I got it out. I marked down so that when I keep it the same what I put it down. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it back in the hole. Grease. So I put it a little bit here so we'll keep it. Next time we're easy to open it. Alright. Because here they have an arrow in both sides here, so make sure the arrow go right here. So each side have the little the arrow right here, this side, one on this side. So that way you put it back in, just push it in. It should go in there. There you go, let's go in there. That way, next time will be easy. You don't want it too tight, okay? Just run back here. That's good. Okay. This in there. Put the screw in there, lock this one back in. Make sure okay, now I'm done, so let's go and turn on the water. Okay, I didn't turn the water on, and just put the old one away just in case if I need it, but hopefully not. So now I can turn the water on. There you go.